next series of interview questions. So, and that today we'll concentrate on next topic, that is runtime permission. What is runtime permission? This runtime permission is very important in Android because first what is runtime permission we'll see, then why it's we'll see. So runtime permission is nothing but here in Android it's asking user permission. Simply it's asking user permission. How? Say when I install any application, any social media application, it is asking that permission. Please allow contacts permission. Please allow gallery permission. Please allow location permission. So those all are runtime permissions. Those all are like location, gallery, call, message, contacts. So like these all are the runtime permissions. But why? Why we need to ask? Without asking, can we implement the program? As of now, with the latest updates, we cannot, because initially it was there without asking the user permission. It can accessing all of our contacts, all of our messages, all of our these things. Because of the security reasons, after few days, means from Android 6.0 onwards, these runtime permissions are mandatory. Now, see, if my application wants contacts permission, if my application wants location permission, must and should user need to accept. So user need to accept that permission should be there on your application level itself. That must and should you need to accept. Until you can't accept, we cannot access. See, if you want in everyone are using WhatsApp, so there is a WhatsApp, we are using this permissions. So you can go and you can start the permissions in the settings. So we cannot access those contacts, those galleries and all that time. Again it will ask permission. Means it's without this permission, if you write the program, means when I'm opening, if you won't check this permission, what happens? Simply your program has crash because of it's not asking the permission. Means there we can avoid this crashes. There we need to ask permission to the user. Please accept permission, so that you can know that okay, if I am using this application, I need we they are accessing my contacts because it's a social media application. If social media application must and should, it requires this. But there, be careful while giving the runtime permission. See, if I install one tutorial application, if it is a tutorial application, now it is asking contacts permission. It's not a proper application. It is asking the camera permission. It's not a proper. Means if I want to read a tutorial, why should I give this contacts and camera permission? It's a not a valid question. It means it's not a valid app. So while you are giving the permission, just you can think why it's a permissions and you can give this. But it's from which version it's required, means in Android interview question, in which version it's required, from 6.0 onwards the runtime permissions are required. Again in this some special is there from 9 and 10, the same permissions, it requires some extra code as well. It's required some extra code, but that extra code one we can find in other tutorials which already we have runtime permission tutorial. There you can find that extra code for that. So because some extra permissions are added in 9 and 10.0, those permissions like URL permission, and if it is an we are using SQLite, the SQLite permissions. So when I are asking the gallery, extra gallery permissions, these all are added in 9 and 10.0. So this is about this runtime permissions. But this is without this, nowadays we cannot run any application. This is very important for every application. Thank you.